Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to do the 12 months of the year for a pronunciation request. Are you ready? Here we go. First month of the year, January. 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 Say it with me. January. Got it. Notice all of the months of the year start with a capital letter because they are proper nouns, okay? Always remember, make the first letter a capital letter, a uppercase letter, a big letter, because the months of the year are proper nouns, okay? So we have January, February, February. We don't pronounce that first one. We say Feb, you, February, February. Okay, followed by March. March. Got it? Here comes April. A-P-R-I-L. April. 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 Why is it ol and not ill? Because of the emphasis is on the first vowel sound. April. April. Got it. May. May. Followed by June. June. Got the long ooh. Ooh. Yeah. June. July. July. Emphasis is on the I. July. August. August. Oh no, Sarah, we're out of board. You're only on the 8th month. Fear not, friends. September. Excuse me. September. 9th month. October. I know, OCT usually means 8, like an octopus, but not here. This is the 10th month. October. October. Okay. Followed by November, November. And finally, December, December. Now, want to try it in a song? Yeah, Sarah, let's do a song. Okay, bear with me. Here we go. We're going to do it slow, then we're going to do it fast, okay? January, February, March. Got it? January, February, March. April, May, June. April, May, June, you got it. July, August, September. July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we're going to do it a little quicker. Let's do it now. Here we go. On your mark. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March. April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we're going to pick it up. We're going to do it one more time. And we're going to do it quick. Why don't you sing along? January, February, March. April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. Let's do it one more time. Here we go real fast. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You follow me. January, February, March. April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. See if you can do it without looking. I'll do it first. Here we go. One more time. You follow along. January, February, March. April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh my gosh, did I do it? How about you? Those are the 12 months of the year. Which one's your favorite? Not really sure. Well, mine is June. What's yours? Leave it right here. Let's do it again. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Leave your favorite here. That is all. I hope you enjoyed this quick song. Peace, friends.